So for this example, we are given these formulas to help us find what T1, T2, and A1 and A2 are. This is really simple. We can go again with our constants. We can, let's say that M1 equals 5 kilograms. M2 is obviously less, so equals 3 kilograms, and that beta equals 30 degrees. So given these formulas, we can go ahead and solve it. But we know, based on this problem, that A1 equals negative A2, and that T1 equals T2 because there is no friction. So moving forward with this problem, we can start to plug in the numbers for T. T is M1, 5 kilograms times 3 kilograms times 10 meters per second squared times 1 plus sine of 30 over 5 kilograms plus 3 kilograms. And simplifying this whole problem would give us 150 kilograms plus 75 over 8 kilograms, which equals 28.1 for T. So since we know that T1 equals T2, so T1 equals 28.1, T2 equals 28, or we can just leave it like that. Now, going to A, we're also going to plug in our numbers. 5 kilograms times, we know sine of 30 is 0.5, minus 3 kilograms, and this is all inside, times 10 meters per second squared over 5 kilograms plus 3 kilograms, which we know is 2.5 minus 3 is negative 0.5. You have negative 5 kilograms over 8 kilograms, which gives us negative 0.63. Now, we know let's call this A1, right? We know that A2 is going to be the opposite, and A2 would be 0.63. So A1 equals 0.63 negative, 2 equals 0.63